Wells Fargo fully supports Apple Pay across all major debit card types as of 2025. This includes standard debit cards, Propel cards, business debit cards, and student account cards. There are two convenient ways to add your Wells Fargo debit card to Apple Pay. The first method is through the Apple Wallet app directly on your iPhone. The second method is through the Wells Fargo mobile app. This approach integrates directly with your banking account and may be more convenient for existing Wells Fargo mobile banking users. When adding your card, you can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your Wells Fargo debit card directly, or manually enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card information, Wells Fargo will verify your identity. The primary verification method is an SMS code sent to your registered phone number. Alternative options include email verification or a customer service call if needed. Important note for new Wells Fargo customers: if you've recently opened your account, there may be a 24 to 48-hour waiting period before you can add your debit card to Apple Pay. This security measure helps protect new accounts. Once your Wells Fargo debit card is successfully added to Apple Pay, multiple layers of advanced security protect every transaction you make. The foundation of Apple Pay's security is tokenization. Instead of transmitting your actual card number during transactions, the system creates a unique device-specific token that represents your card. Each transaction uses a dynamic security code that changes every time you pay. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or Apple's servers, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access your financial information. Biometric authentication adds another powerful security layer. Face ID and Touch ID ensure that only you can authorize payments, even if someone else has access to your device. Wells Fargo Apple Pay transactions follow standard daily limits, typically ranging from $1,000 to $5,000, depending on your specific account type and standing with the bank. Apple Pay enjoys widespread merchant acceptance across the United States. Over 85% of retailers now support Apple Pay, making it convenient to use almost everywhere you shop. Wells Fargo provides real-time fraud monitoring and instant transaction notifications. You'll receive alerts through both the Wells Fargo mobile app and Apple Wallet whenever you make a purchase. If you encounter any issues with Apple Pay, first ensure your card is active and in good standing. Verify that the phone number on file with Wells Fargo matches your device. For additional support, contact Wells Fargo Digital Wallet Support at 1-800-869-3557 or use the comprehensive help sections available in both the Wells Fargo mobile app and Apple Wallet.